Alright, power. Power is work done in divided by the time, right? I have drawn a lovely motor, and here you would see there is a piece of string attached to a mass. And to determine the power of the motor, you would let it run, right? You would time the time it takes for it to allow something to run, or be rotated down to the ground, or lifted up off the ground, and you would stop it and determine its height, right? Or you could just let it go from bottom to top, and you determine you measure the height and you time it at the same time, right? So it'll be mass, gravity, height divided by time. That's actually the work done, right? Now, power is equal to the mass, gravity, height over time. This is all what work done is equal to. So, if you wanted to find m, you do the same thing we did, but this time we have a variable underneath, which is t, and this is 1, right? So what you would do, you could quite frankly move these first underneath. So you end up with p over gh equals to m over t, right? So p over gh is equal to m over t. But still, m is not by itself. So what you're going to do? Yes, you're going to move it up to the p, and you have pt over gh equals to m. Awesome, right? Now suppose you want to find g. Again, you have p equals to mgh over t, and you do pretty much the same thing. You want to move t, and because you're looking for g, you can move m and h, those to move across, and so you end up with pt over mh equals to g. Cool stuff, right? And now suppose you want to look for h. Looking for h. Again, you have p over 1 equal to m gh over t. Get rid of this, move it diagonally up. Get rid of this, move it diagonally across. And you have pt over mg equals to h. Cool? And now, doozy, you want to find t. It's not that hard. You already put t in the top many times, so we can do it again. P over 1 equal to mgh over t. T is in the denominator. If you want to find t, you have to put it in the numerator. Anything that you want to find, and if it's in the denominator, you have to move it to the numerator. So you will take t, put it up, and you will end up with pt equals to mgh. Now that it's up there, you need to get rid of the friend. It's over 1, and you just move p there. So we end up with t is equal to mgh over p. And that's pretty much it for power.